Hey guys, this is Miles Catlett. I want to give you a set of JavaScript tutorials. This is what I've learned over the years about JavaScript. I love JavaScript. It's a real easy, expressive language. It's easy to set up and use, and we're going to go over the setup in this first video. So you can see we have a search for Visual Studio Code opened. We're going to use Visual Studio Code as our code editor. It's pretty easy to set up. You can just go to the Visual Studio Code page, and then there's a place to download somewhere. Maybe we can just click download right here in the search. That might be easier. Oh yeah. Now we can click and download the file and then install it. I'm not going to go through the whole install process. I've already got it installed on my computer. You may already have it installed too if you're coding in other languages or if you've already tried to get started. If not, it's pretty easy to set up, and really we can go with it out of the box and start coding in JavaScript. But I want to show you some of the extensions that I use. I've got a lot of extensions installed in here, but there's 4 I want to show you that might be helpful. Indent Rainbow allows you to separate the different lines so you can easily see which line you're on. Code snippets auto-completes JavaScript commands, makes it a little faster for you to code. Not sure about whether we really need this one, but this is a JavaScript extension that was recommended. And then Prettier helps format your code. Makes it easy to tell where things start and end, which functions you're looking at, all that great stuff. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a folder on our desktop. This folder is going to be empty, so I'm going to open it up and show you just an empty folder. But we can grab this folder from the desktop and bring it over here and get started with VS Code. The next thing we're going to do is create a new file. I'm going to call this lesson1.html. Now I'm going to close this real quick and open this and right click and say open with Google Chrome, and that's going to open up my lesson1.html in the Chrome browser window. If you don't have Chrome installed, that's also a super easy browser to install, and it's got some great development tools with it. So I'm just going to right click on this area here, click inspect. Oops. Right here at the very bottom of the menu. And then the console, the development tools show up, and the console is here. And this allows us to see. Let's open up VS Code. Looking for my, I guess I don't have my browser window open anymore. Oh no, it is. Okay. So let's just drag this over here. So now we've got our console and we've got our code, and I'm going to drag this closed. And now we're actually ready to go. So we're going to create a script with script tags. Sometimes you'll see this show up as like script type equals text JavaScript. We don't really need that. JavaScript's the only language that runs in browsers. In the early days, we thought maybe we were going to include some other languages, but now we've solidified the use of only JavaScript. So we have these script tags set up. a simple command we can do to show anything we want in the console, and this is sometimes used as a troubleshooting, although there are better ways to debug than this, is the command console.log. So I'm just going to console.log hello world, just to show you that everything is running. We're going to save it, and then we're going to refresh the browser, and we're going to see hello.world. So now, as you can see, we are all set up to use JavaScript. We can create HTML elements up here if we want to and use those. So if I create a simple button, and save this, we should see, do we need an ID? We save this, we should be able to refresh and see our button right here show up. So we can create HTML and have that interact with our JavaScript and do stuff. So this is it. This is how you set it up. It's pretty easy. And we're going to do some more tutorials later that dig more into JavaScript. So thanks for watching, and I hope you'll tune in to the tutorials that are coming.